we're going to look at how to calibrate the focal position of the laser to the wire. This is a common requirement when using multiple liners for different wire sizes or wire types. To do this, we're going to go to our Y0 program. So we're going to press and hold the left mode button and go over to Y0. We'll then move the wobble frequency knob to change the position of the Galvo mirror in the torch. We can go all the way to the right to positive 30, all the way to the left to negative 30. We want this red pilot laser to be at the 12 o'clock position on the wire, perfectly centered, so we have even melt on both sides of the wire. To save it, hold both mode buttons until the Y0 stops blinking, and we can hold our right mode button to go back to our weld settings. If you're curious of more applications that the laser is a good fit for, head on over to millerwelds.com.